All right, we're going to solve Big Bertha's friend, Mammoth Matty, the remainder rhino. We're going to look at this number, which is, look at this number. That is a big number. It's 1,459,682,456. And we're going to divide by 3. So we're thinking about the 3 times table here, and we're trying to figure out how we can divide these numbers by 3. Okay, so the first thing we do is look at the first place, and it's a 1, so we're not going to divide the 1. We're going to go to 14. Think of it as 14 divided by 3, and we're going to do 4, because 4 times 3 is 12. All right, and then we're going to subtract, and we subtract 2 from 4, and we get 2. To bring down the 5. 2 is smaller than 3. Our difference here must always be smaller than our divisor. Then we can go onward. 25. Now we think of the 3 times table. What on the 3 times table is close to 25 without going over? And that would be 8 times 3 is 24. We're going to subtract, and we get 1. So we're in a good position because 1 is less than 3. Bring down the 9, you got 19. So 19, we know that is close to what on the 3 times table? That would be 6 times 3 equals 18. And we're going to subtract, and we get 1. Hopefully we're still in the picture here. We're going to bring down the 6, and we have 16. So 3, we're dividing 16 by 3, and we know that 3 times 5 is 15. And we're going to subtract once again, and we get a 1. Getting a lot of 1s here. Bring down the 8. Now we have 18, and we know that's a math party. 6 times 3, 18. And we get 0. We're going to just forego that 0 and bring down the 2. Just bring it down. Now 2 is too small, isn't it? You can't divide 2 by 3 in this situation. And so what we're going to do is we have to get something. Remember what we have to get? We need to get 0. So we're going to put 0 times 3 because we know 0 times any number is 0. And we need to get a 0. So we subtract, and we get 2. We bring down the 4, and now we have a better division problem. 24. We're going to divide it by 3, and we know that's 8. We've done that already. Where did we do that before? Right there. 8 times 3, 24. And we're going to subtract. We get a 0. We're going to bring down the 5, and now 5 is greater than 3, so that's good. So 3, we're going to divide that 5. We know it's 1 time. 1 times 3 times 3 is 3. Are we still in the picture? I hope we are. And 5 minus 3 is 2. We bring down the 6. And don't forget to put your number up here again. Some of you, when you sent me your paper, you didn't put the last digit in. We bring down the 6. So we're looking at 3 and 26. Now we've done something like that before. Oh, 24. There it is. So we're going to do 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, and we get 2. Remainder 2. So our quotient is 486,560,818, remainder 2. Now who knows what we need to do to see if that's the right answer? Can you tell me? Send me a text or an email.